It's here. It's here. Our Pokemon makeup is here. Okay, this might sound so bad, but I just organically lost my child's attention. So for the next few seconds that I no longer have her interest and focus, I am going to take advantage and really quickly unbox the Pokemon collection. So don't mind the mess all around me. Yes, I caught them all. I caught them all and then some. So I got the full collection for myself, and then I got a few duplicate pieces for Violet to try. This is definitely one of the duplicate pieces for her and for me, as well as the Yura Catch. I got all the cream blushes in one for me, one for her style, because realistically she can use this wherever she wants on her face and it'll be just fine. So that looks like it's layer 1. I don't want to take it too much apart because I want it to still look somewhat surprising when she gets to it, but yes, I'm so excited. These are so cute. These ones I may have only gotten one set of, and I'm probably gonna regret that. I really just probably should have gotten 2 full sets and just been like, you know what? Why not? That was literally on my mind to do, but then when it came down to getting down to the get down, I was just like, just get the one. And I did. These are so cute. Yeah, I think I definitely pretty much got a duplicate of everything. Yeah, one for me, one for her. They're so cute. Just everything about this collab is freaking adorable. I hope I accidentally got 2 full sets. That would be pretty sick because I pretty much almost did. Oh my god, I think I actually did get 2 full sets. Because I got 2 of these as well. Okay. Let's slide you out. Whoa. Yes. Me too. Isn't that so cute? I'm so excited. I literally think that's what happened is I got 1 whole set for me and except for the lip glosses. That's what happened. Okay. I should have just got 2 full sets. This is the long story short. But I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. We're ready for it.
Alright, this one is for you. This is Ultra Glossy Lip Trio, okay? So Thunderstone, Firestone, and Waterstone EVs and lip plumpy glosses.
Makeup is for me.
These ones are for you. Yes.
And which palette is funny?
You got a palette too. Don't worry, you got a lot of stuff.
What?
Aren't these cute?
Got a palette?
Here,
Whoa,
those go on your lip.
I want Hershey. Pokemon makeup is fast.
Isn't it cute?
Yes, I think
Okay, and that one's for me.
makeup.
Okay, one for me, one for you. Do you want to open it? Or do you want me to open it?
I want to.
One for me, one for you. Where are you going? One for me, one for you.
This one is the Pokemon ball.
One for me.
I love the Pokemon ball.
Oh no, did we not get a Pikachu for you?
Pikachu.
That might have been what happened, is that they might have sold out on like select colors. So you missed out on some.
I got a Pokemon ball. Whoa.
I think that's what happened.
Pokemon ball.
Because they ended up selling out on a few. So she ends up with whatever she ends up with. Which is still cool if you ask me. Because she's going to get these two. I'm going to get these ones.
Mom, I can't wait to open the Pokemon ball.
The Pokeball.
Yes, I can't wait to open the Pokemon ball.
These are obviously mine.
The teeth are all back. I love these.
Should I let her have the one that I just opened? Probably.
Pokemon ball.
Yeah. I'm going to save. Wait, you still need your palette.
I do need my palette.
I'm going to let her enjoy opening it up. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you think?
I love it.
So cool. I'm so excited. Cool.